What we're seeing now in Stagecoach is a real big transformation from, if you like, the old-fashioned on-the-buses approach to a clean, environmentally friendly, modern proposition. We've got contactless now on virtually all our fleet. We've got Wi-Fi, we've got USB points. So we're having to react to ensure that the services and products we're providing fit and match the emerging and new demand for travel in the UK. The combined threat and challenge of new kids on the block means that Stagecoach has got to be more agile and faster to market with the changes that it wants to bring.
For me, in a modern IT team, we need to be dynamic. In traditional modern IT setups, I think someone's defined a strategy 3 or 4 years ago, and they've stuck with it no matter what. Our environment needs to change as the business changes. And that's what led us to initially explore VMware Cloud on Amazon Web Services. The partnership between VMware and AWS for me is the joining of two companies that are experts in their field. VMware are the de facto company for hosting our workloads. Amazon, they run data centers in an outstanding manner. Their uptime and availability is superb, and their cloud offering in itself can add value to us. The main feature that drove us to it is the stretch cluster element of it. The ability to be able to grow the environment during peak periods and then shrink back down again when we're quieter. We had a production environment up within 3 weeks, load tested and moving data in there immediately. In comparison to an on-premise or even hosting something in a private cloud, we're probably looking at 6 weeks for just the ordering of equipment. It adds the agility to our team and it means that we can move quicker. From the business's perspective, high availability is massively important. You need to put some resiliency in things. Having a single point of failure is not acceptable. You need things to stay on and they need them to operate, whether it's an application, whether it's their network. The ability to be able to have our data in resilient data centres and worrying less at night. With us being early adopters with VMware Cloud, the relationship has come closer. VMware are listening to us, and I think from an IT perspective, it feels like we've got a real input into the product. They're adding features on an almost monthly basis, all of which can benefit us. By moving to a cloud-based platform, all those features are shoehorned in the background, and that we know they're tested, we know they're reliable, and feel like we're a bit more at the forefront of technology now.
The reason we're going to be able to meet the challenges of change and technological development are by building a really strong business partnership between technology teams in Stagecoach and the business teams who are really focused on meeting the needs of the customer. Bringing those two together will mean that Stagecoach continue to be the market leader for bus and rail services in the UK.